Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage data usage on your Android phone and save mobile data. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Tap Network and Internet, then select Mobile Network. If you use two SIMs, choose your preferred SIM. Next, tap App Data Usage. Here you can see how much data each app is using. Tap on any app and turn background data off to stop it from using data when you're not using it. Now go back and turn on Data Saver mode. This helps reduce data usage by limiting background activity. You can also set a data warning or data limit. Go to Mobile Network, select your default SIM for data. Tap Data Warning and Limit. Turn on the data limit toggle on and set your preferred limit. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.